every 5 years when she has her parties, Hazel has done a special mug for that year. And this mug is when she turned 85 years old. So of course, she was involved with selling motorcycles, so that's special for her. And then she also flew a pit special. And then of course, she's had multiple Corvettes. So this is when she turned 85 years old. So now let's see what the other mugs look like. And the only ones I have are from 85 and when she turned 90, 95, and of course 100. Now this is the mug when she turned 90 years old. It's the same motorcycle, and then the pit special, and then the Corvette. So now of course the big difference is that it says 90. So now let's look at the 95. On her 95th birthday, this was the mug that was available. Again with the motorcycle, the pit special, and the Corvette. Riding in style and flying high. Now this year's mug has a different image starting off, and they all have the dates with the year. And so it's got a younger version. It still has her signature on it. And then it has the iconic photograph of her with her clipped wing cub. And then of course the model that was available to build. So those are the mugs that I have. There are other mugs before this. They're all collectible. I'm sure that everyone who has one of these hangs on to it and keeps it in a good spot. That's what I do. So let's see what else happened to the party.